Study plans are very important. So use the software which is given on the Vertex site. Choose the beginning and end of the course date. I'm starting on 15th March. I want to finish on 25th of May. Select the days: Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. How many hours do you want to study on Monday? It is so accurate. Monday, I want to study only 2 hours. Friday, I will do 3 hours. And then create your study plan, download in the PDF format, also connect it with your mobile phone, and then start getting your notifications and track your progress. 40%, 50%, 60%, how much you have done. It will show you on your mobile app. Okay, so it's being organized. Organized efforts are always better than unorganized efforts. Engage yourself. You are not studying alone. You are not studying in isolation. You have to engage yourself with the team. Weekly live sessions are there. Please join them. If you are not able to join the weekly live session, watch the recording. Join the WhatsApp group. Ask questions in the WhatsApp group. And not only you ask questions in the WhatsApp group, you should pay attention to the questions which others are asking, because there is a learning point there as well. So remain active, okay? Remain active. And I have seen that those people who are active in the WhatsApp group and in the live sessions, they always demonstrate better result.